Hi, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am going to do a room tour. I am at the Westin Lagunamar in Cancun, Mexico. It is a timeshare, but you can rent them. So I'm going to show you. I'm a timeshare owner, but if you're not an owner, you can rent them. And I want to show you I have the one bedroom, a premium, so I'll let you see it. So I am in building 2. Room 276. This is the hallway. I think it goes all the way down to 270. I think it's 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. It's only 6 on each floor. I'm on the 7th floor. It's 8 floors in this building, but I'm on 7. They are connected because the 1 bedrooms can be turned into 2 bedrooms, lock off. So you have a studio 1 bedroom on that side. So all of them are going to be that way. So when you come into the door, you are here. And I think, I haven't looked at anything because I just got here. Oh, I thought this was going to be the closet with the washer and dryer, but it is not. It is your bathroom. And apparently we have double shower. Shower there. And no, this would be the toilet room. Yep, the water closet. So, and we have the water closet here. A nice picture of the Mayan ruins. We got double sink, double sink, double sink. We got a jetted tub. I think these you could open it. They look like they still slide. I haven't been here since 2013, so they've probably done a little bit of remodeling, but that's to outside. Then we have your full closet. We have your rack for your luggage. Have a vacuum cleaner. Have a safe. Then we have some linen for the couch, because it does come with a queen, maybe even a king, I'm not sure, couch. And then we have drawers and storage here in the bathroom. Let's go back out before we go and do anything else. This must be where the washer and dryer is. Yes. So we have a stackable washer and dryer. They always give you something to wash your clothes with. And yeah, you have an ironing board in here as well, and a broom. Can't see in here too good, and there's no light, but they have a broom and a dustpan in there as well. Like I said, that leads to the lock off. Oh, let's see if that made it better. Probably not much better, but you can see the broom and stuff. Nobody wants to see that, but showing it anyway. Then you come on back through the hallway. A nice picture on the wall of some feathers. Give you this nice mirror here. Hey, it's me. My gimbal is off, so I'm having to do my camera weird ways. But anyway, have a fridge, a full-size fridge. You can drink the water in this resort. They have a filtration system like we have in the US, which that is nice, so you can make ice. They used to have 4 stoves, and so now they have a cooktop. They got a dishwasher, and they have a sink with disposal. Maybe they have 4 2-bedrooms too, I believe, but I can't remember. It's been too long since I've been here. But nothing in that cabinet. They have this stuff to drink with, to make drinks, wine, then regular glasses, and also some plastic cups. They also give you teas and stuff to make coffee with. Salt and pepper shaker, but you got to bring your own salt and pepper. They give you, of course, because it's a timeshare, they give you stuff to wash your dishes with. You also have, I went too far. They also give you a coffee maker, cutlery set, paper towels. Let's see what's up under the sink here. So under the sink, we have all our cookware. We have our teapot, frying pan, some pans to cook with. Let's see what's under this one. We got a blender, toaster, can opener. Under here, they used to give you trash and recycle, and then stuff for to use the dishwasher, paper towels, and then your fire extinguisher is usually always under the sink. And these, nothing there. Now look at these, nothing there. This is the convection oven microwaves, and when you don't have a full stove, they always give you a convection oven microwave, so you can cook in it as well. Then we got some glassware, your plates, cups, some bowls, then some cookware, stoneware if you want to cook. They did a piss poor job at cleaning this place. I see fingerprints and stuff everywhere. Probably nothing over here, but it might be. Yep, nothing's up there. And that's pretty much it besides what's in the drawers. We got cutlery, stuff to grill on. They do have grills that are outside. If I remember, I always say I'm going to show outside, never do. All your stuff that's in here to cook with. Give you a good variety of things. Stuff to make drinks, peelers, all of that. Can openers, wine openers. Then you have your dish towels, cutting boards, pot holders, and then they give you stuff for your set your table. So that's it for the kitchen area. Let's move over here. We have in your dining room, you have seat 6. And they have nice decor in here. It's cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then here, looks like it's a new sofa. 2 end tables, lamps, 1 lamp. Then you have your Blu-ray, Bose sound system, TV that looks to be maybe a 65-inch. And here they always have these storage units that you can use to store things. Oh, yeah, these are new couches. Look, because they got USB plugs on the couch. This couch lets out. That's a queen size. It's not a king. I believe that's a queen. Nice picture of the Mayan ruins. Then you also get a nice deck. My view has, this deck has the view of the pool area and the other rooms. And then my window, also, I got a great, great, great ocean view. And the waters are calm today, which normally is not. So people are out there in it. So I may see if I can go out there this year, because I usually do not. And then this is building 2. That's building 1 on the opposite side of that building. They have some ruins that are over there that are protected. If I remember, I'll go over there and show you guys that as well. But they have a nice size pool, just separated with 2 sides of pool. And then they also have a little teeny little pool area for the kids. They have that slide area, but the sea is blocked off. I think that's for the kids. The one time when we was here, we got a little tipsy and we played in it. They got 2 hot tubs, 1 on that side, 1 on that side. Nice size pool. It what they call it? When you, I forget what they call it. It looks like you're in the ocean when you're actually in the pool. It looks like it leads up to it. I forget what you call it because I'm tired. I've been up since 4 o'clock. But anyway, a whole bunch of seating areas, and then they have seats down on the beach as well. So nice, nice, nice. Then they have some covered areas that people are in all the way back here. And then they have a massage area right there. And they also have one out on the beach. And they also have a spa that you can go to if you don't want to get one outside. And then in here, they have the king size bed. the heavenly bed, which I love at the West. Oh, it still opens. It used to be blind, so I love this. So it does open, in case you want to have that open and sit and watch the ocean. All your controls are here. They did change this a lot. And then on the other side, this is a smaller TV in here, but then you still have the Blu-ray, your drawers. You also have sets of drawers over there. Nice decor, more Mayan ruins. Then, as you can see down there, let's see. Trying to get it to zoom in. I figured out how to zoom it in, and then of course, when I want it to zoom, it won't. Okay, yeah. See down there, that's where we have the grill area where you can go grill because of the full kitchen. That is right outside the lobby. They're redoing the lobby. As you can see, there is construction, so they have it off to the side over there somewhere. But that's just waterfalls. That's not part of the pool. The pool starts right here. I just see the little walkway that goes across the middle of the water. Then the pool starts. And then right there is the little kiddie pool area. So yeah, that is it. We are right across from the mall, the Isla Mall, with all the high-end shops. So it's a great location. They do not, for some reason, have a screen on these glass doors. But this is the balcony. It is a nice size balcony. Love it, love it, love it. But that is the tour. And then way over there is probably what that is, because that's what they do it every year. And it's always around this time of year. Right there. I'm going to get my finger in front of it. Right there is, I think they have the turtles. They release turtles every year. So I think that's what that is. But anyway, yeah. Let me zoom y'all back out. This ocean is beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this is Cancun. Anyway, alright guys, that is it. It is not too terribly hot here today. Not too bad. It's 4 o'clock. I just checked in. Lock my door back. I just got here and checked in, so I'm going to switch out and put my swimsuit on and go enjoy the pool or maybe the beach. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.